Hey everyone! Welcome back to TransLearnTube, your hub for everything translation, localization, and language tech. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic, one that every translator, client, or language enthusiast should know. What are the properties of a good translation? Let's break it down in a simple, clear, and practical way. Let's go. A good translation must faithfully convey the meaning of the original text. It's not about translating word for word, but meaning for meaning. You want to preserve the intention, facts, and tone of the source, without adding, omitting, or changing anything. Your translation should be easy to understand in the target language. Avoid overly complex structures unless necessary, and make sure the message flows naturally. Clarity ensures that your audience gets the message instantly. Fluency means the text reads like it was originally written in the target language. That means perfect grammar, sentence structure, punctuation, and style, without awkward phrasing or mistranslations. A fluent translation never feels translated. It just feels right. This one's big. Cultural sensitivity. Every language carries its own cultural weight. A good translation adapts idioms, humor, and references to suit the target audience, respectfully and appropriately. This is what we call localization in action. Consistency is key, especially in technical, legal, or business translations. Terminology, tone, and formatting must stay consistent across the document or project. Using tools like CAT tools or glossaries can really help maintain this consistency. And finally, style and tone. Every text has a voice. A marketing brochure is lively and persuasive. A legal document is formal and precise. A good translation preserves this tone, matching the context and purpose of the original. So there you have it, the 6 core properties of a good translation: accuracy, clarity, fluency, cultural relevance, consistency, style and tone. These aren't just rules, they're what make your translations trustworthy, professional, and impactful. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your fellow linguists, and don't forget to subscribe to TransLearnTube for more content like this.